BIS plan, bank must disclose crypto holdings. In a move aimed at enhancing transparency and mitigating potential risk, international regulators are considering requiring banks to disclose their cryptocurrency holdings. The proposal comes as regulators partially attribute recent banking collapses to the rapid rise of cryptocurrencies in the financial landscape. Okay, two things po mga titos and titas. Gusto ng mga regulator na kung ikaw ay bangko at meron kang hawak na crypto, i-disclose mo siya, probably isama mo siya sa balance sheet mo. Pwede mo kung gaining yan, so magre-reflect yung gain, o kung magkano, o kung losing yan, magre-reflect yung loss. Kumbaga, siguro ima-mark to market mo yung value ngayon ng holdings mo ng crypto. That's one. Ang significant po dito sa gustong mangyari nitong mga regulators na to is that they are already acknowledging, okay, kasi pag sinama mo yan sa balance sheet mo, it means you're acknowledging it as an asset. Kasi kung basura naman, kung wala namang kwenta yan, okay, bakit mo pa nga naman i-acknowledge at ikaw lalagyan mo ng value? So, since itong mga regulators gusto niyang ipagawa dito sa mga bangko, oy bangko, kung kayo ay may hawak na crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, o kung anumang crypto yan, i-disclose nyo, ha? Ibig sabihin, na-acknowledge nila na asset na tong mga cryptocurrencies na to. So, magandang development po ito sa space na yan. Tito News yan! Follow and like for more updates!